Hello my friends and subscribers, my name is Alexander Stepanov, and this day I'm presenting you the top rate of nail designs which popular nowadays all over the world and in United States. As you can see, the geometric nail designs are still popular, and you can draw it using the gel paint for the French manicure from shapeofnail.com. One stroke nail technique, so you can create any composition you like. These are the most amazing flowers and technique, so you can create it by yourself very easy. Of course, black cats, you can draw this painting using acrylic paint. As you can see, we just need the scheme and thin brush number 00 or 000. The cat's paws are always adorable by clients. So you just need to draw some curved lines, some arches, and here it is. Just add some rhinestones or deco, and the cat is ready. So you can see that white lines make nails look thinner and graceful. Okay, half moons are always adorable, especially the last 5 years, and every client will be happy to have such beautiful nail design. This is not easy to create such design, but it suits to everybody. Okay guys, rhinestones placing is always popular. Some nail technicians like to cover the whole nail plate with rhinestones. You know, I don't like placing too much rhinestones on the nail plate, and I think I don't like spending too much time for it. I think that this is the good accent for the nail plate, not more, and it takes too much time. But this nail design, I think when you work a lot for creating this nail design, I think it will be good, and it is worthy of your time. Okay, bows is always amazing, so you can create combine two techniques: one stroke nail technique and detail paint. Black butterflies, this is simple nail design which every beginner can do by himself or herself. Okay guys, and watercolor nail technique, of course, it's not so easy, but if you train your hand to the maximum, you can create such beautiful compositions like this. For example, to draw the tiger, we can add some white accents to this composition using acrylic paint, and here it is. I think it will be beautiful on nails. Maybe someone of you would create it on the nail plate and send me the photo of it. I will show it on in my videos. I hope guys you will repeat this amazing nail design. Again, one stroke nail technique, rainbow flower with a shadow is always adorable. And rhinestone, large heart rhinestone in the center of the nail plate, so we draw also the French manicure, cover it with the top coat, and it looks amazing and elegant. It's like jewelry, a beautiful nail design. and the shape of nail is elegant too. Okay guys, the next place in our rate is symbol, which everyone knows. Especially when I was young, I was a fan of this symbol. Now I think that this symbol is not so popular than before, but I think in future maybe this brand will be changed and maybe again would be so popular. I think the magazine and okay, so this is beautiful nail technique too. One stroke nail technique and flower. What's the name of this flower? Please remind me. I don't remember. Not hibiscus, not poppy. I don't remember. What's the name of this flower? Sometimes I forget some names. Okay, and one of my favorite technique when we mix in the palette different colors, yellow colors, pink, purple, green, so it looks artistic, amazing, and my clients adore this nail design. Of course, drops, red drops, maybe it's they are drops of the wine. We are drawing it, we using one stroke nail art technique. Wine drops, not blood drops. I think white drops is more actual now. The next place, so butterflies with the gel paint, with the gradient of gel paint. You know, creating such compositions is so actual now. So you can add some white spots, dots. It will look amazing. And charming and wild leopard nail design. I think it will be always glamorous and actual for young, not for young ladies, for every lady, no matter who is she. I think it's very glamorous. The next place, creating 3D nail design. 3D nail design is great, and the most popular of nail designs, of course, the moon, the night, and the moon, nightmare, or what's the name of this nail design? Please let me know down in the comments. My English doesn't allow me to tell it. I can say only that this is the night and the moon, and I'm drawing it using the flat brush number 6. So great, this is like the process of burning of the moon. Something like that. I think it's actual, especially for young ladies. I think they will be happy to have such nail design on their nails. And the first place, it's very actual now because we have the new president in the United States. Congratulations, guys. I hope everything will be good in politics and in day-to-day life in one of my favorite countries, country of my dream. I have never been in the United States, but this was the dream when I was even in kindergarten. I was dreaming to visit this country. So I hope someday I will travel there, not live. I think East or West home is best. I'm living in Russia, but the United States is the country of greatest country. So this is the New York City. Yes. Thanks for watching, guys. See you tomorrow. Bye.